Hi, my name is Megan. I'm Pastor Cunville's granddaughter, and I'll be speaking on behalf of us, the family, and the grandkids. Today, I'll be speaking in English. I'm not sure where I should start. I didn't think I'd have to do this, but here I am. Our grandfather, Rev.Dr. Cunville, is, or was, always the light on earth that God had set him out to be. From his youth as a dashing young boy who was a loving son, brother, and friend to all, to his days as a scholar while balancing his PhD in America, amidst also being a husband, father, and a growing evangelist with the Billy Graham Evangelistic Association. He always stayed true to himself and his mission here on earth. God put the brightest spark in him, and it was, or to me still is, what continues to shine through his legacy today and always. To many in this town and around the globe, he was known as Pastor Cunville. But to us, my sisters, brother, to our family, he was our superhero, our Baba, who loved us beyond measure, who would take on the weight of the world to help us move from place to place, and he would give up everything at an instance to help us do anything, be it tie our shoelaces or move across the country or the ocean. So I also want to add, we were, or we still are, always a handful, but our beloved Baba always taught us right from wrong without ever raising our voice. His words of strength and grace ring through to us today and always. Baba would always dress me up and take me to school for most of my younger days. He'd wake me up, watch Little Einsteins on Disney Channel with me, and have little notes on every classical piece that played on the show. He taught me about life and all it holds at a very young age, and for that I am eternally grateful. Because all I know about life, love, faith, patience, and family, I learned from him. He was a hard worker, and he loved what he did. But he was also more than just his work. He was a musician, an artist, a curator, and collector of his passions. He instilled his love for Chopin, Debussy, and Tchaikovsky in me through his vinyl collection, while also making my sisters and everyone in our family appreciate the sounds of jazz and bossa nova through artists such as Stan Getz, Nat King Cole, Miles Davis, Yao Gilberto. I know he's jamming with them in heaven now. I also want to add how his humor warmed everyone. He warmed any crowd with the number of jokes he always had up his sleeves. He could make any and everyone laugh. His passion for learning as a doctor of theology and of life has always intrigued me to want to learn more. His love for knowledge, books, and fiction continues to inspire me to always be on the lookout for what's across the horizon. I'll keep this short and sweet because that's how Baba always liked it. There are a million other stories that I'd love to share about the man who shaped me, who shaped my family. All the good parts of me I owe to him. He was, or rather is, and always will continue to be the anchor that holds me. My faith in God has grown immensely in the past few months, and I believe that God always has a reason for everything that he puts in front of us. Our grandfather has completed his mission on earth and is now able to rest, knowing his light has left a cosmic impact on the world. As a family, we grieve so very, very heavily for our Baba. But as believers, we trust in God and his timing for everything. So, as Baba would say, I'll see you later, alligator. We love you always. We know you're never far away. You're with us always.